wala. Come south, walk south, walk south, walk south. We're looking south, we're looking south, we're looking south, we're looking south. Come west, after never mind, come west. Find the crowd, come west. Find the crowd, come west, yo. Napipil kayo, come west, come west. West side, west side, west side, west side, west side, west side ko, west side ko, west side ko. West side ko, west side ko. Sige, come west side, come west side, come west side.
They're still here, they're still here, they're still here.
Sige, walk north, walk north, walk north. Alis kayo dyan sa wall, alis kayo dyan sa wall, alis kayo dyan sa wall.
Night helmets pa rin ha, night helmets pa rin, don't forget.
Yung...
Astral, WHD, Goose,
Snake.
Irion.
Asan sila?
Nandito pa rin, nandito pa rin. I'll try to find
Uncle nga kayo north side. Uncle kayo north side ko. Uncle kayo north side ko. Uncle kayo north side ko. Yan. We're looking south. Uncle kayo north side ko. We're looking south. Spread
Looking yung left curse ha, looking yung left curse. Be ready.
Sige lang, sige lang, sige lang. Nag-donut na. Wala akong fake pre.
Binuburst nila yung ano? Sige, sige, sige. Sige, nasa kanila ako ha.
Wag. Sige, pipitas tayo.
Binubit.
Pipitas lang tayo. Sige, wait. Patience, guys, patience. This one last, west side. West side. Patience, guys, patience. Patience. Defensive tanks hold my west side, Defensive tanks hold my west side. Everyone engage tayo south. Shit, never mind. Back.
They're looking, charging na.
Sige. Everyone, spread. Wala dapat silang maport. Okay, same. Defensive tanks hold my west east side, We're gonna engage east side, In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side. Ito mga tanks. Delete that. West side, West side tanks hold my west side.
They're looking.
Dropping.
Stop.
Okay, everyone, sige. Observe. Please observe.
Kaya.
Wala. Observe. Okay, inside, nice one, bounced. Come south. We're gonna engage 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Directly in the front. Delete that, please. Delete that. Come south. Finish this. Oh no! Come south, spirit. Kill that Astral. Huwag niyo na buhayin yung Astral.
Stop na.